Hello guys, today I am going to show you the monitoring tool for the Linux. So Netdata is one of the best monitoring tool for the Linux. So it is used for the network monitoring, CPU monitoring, and the many more monitoring tool like seeing the open port, seeing the RAM, how much RAM you are utilized, and many more things you can use the Netdata tool, which is available for the all Linux version. So for installing this tool, you have to run this command like the I'm going to show you the demo how we can install Netdata in our Ubuntu OS. So first of all, type the command sudo apt install netdata. It will install the all packages which is required for the Netdata. So it's installing, which is in progress. So meanwhile, I'm going to show you the other commands as well. So if the Netdata is not started, then you have to start with the help of the sudo systemctl start netdata command. If you want to stop the Netdata tool, it will stop with the help of the sudo systemctl stop netdata command. And if you want to restart Netdata, then you can use the sudo systemctl restart Netdata. So you can see here, guys, my Netdata tool is successfully installed. I just clear the terminal. I just go to my any browser and type here localhost colon 1 4 times 9, and it will enter. It is default port which is used for the Netdata. So you don't need to configure any other port. You can configure as well with the help of the other Netdata command. You can see the uh, other Netdata command with the help of Netdata hyphen hyphen help. This command will show you the how the list of all your port and anything if you want to configure anything. Also, if I go to the my local host, so if you can see here, my CPU utilization is like 7.0%, and you can see here all my DC utilization, all my load, and you can see here the RAM utilization, here the swap part utilization. Here is the my network utilization. You can see here iron one command or iron one uh, uh, website. I track one website, so that's why it is showing me the up arrow, up bar. So yeah, you can see here the other monitoring tool like a software monitoring tool in the format of the graph. So here is the context about that. So this rule is pretty good for the monitoring the purpose. If you want to do disk monitoring, then you can do it with the help of you. Let's have the CLI. It is also provide you the console, so that you can see here. You can see here the attractive things like disk utilization. Also, you can see here the network stack and the TCP protocol, how much requests are coming and how much requests are uh, going from my machine. So if you want to track the IPv4 networking, then you can track it with the help of IPv4 networking. Here is the list of. You can also see the which firewall is installed on my Linux host. Also, you can install firewall with the help of Netdata as well. But that is the advanced part. Also, you can set up the alert as well. Here is you can see here is the add more alarm. So with the help of add more alarm, you can set up the alarm in the Netdata. If CPU utilization is like a 30%, then you have to check or you have to get an alert about the Netdata. You can configure Netdata with the help of the alarm as well. Also, you have like a you can also add more charts based on the documentation. Here is the documentation. I will also provide the link of Netdata in the documentation if you want to explore more. So this tool is pretty useful. You just have to install it once, and if you install it once, then it will be configured. Also, I will provide the Netdata GitHub link as well for your future use. So yeah, that's